Good evening, everyone. Uh, Welcome to yet another live session by AOSM. I am Dr. Sohail Kadir.
I am Dr. Rahul Misra. Today we are going to discuss about chiropractic manipulations.
Chiropractic manipulation, it is a part of manual therapy where we assess, diagnose, and diagnose and give high velocity thrust or manipulations to the spine or the other joints of our body.
By doing this, we help to increase the blood flow of the joint and mobility of the joint and flexibility also. And we have to help to reduce the stiffness of joint, reduce the pain, and improve mobility and range of motion of the joints.
What exactly chiropractor does. Once you go to the chiropractor, what he will do, he will assess you, then he will diagnose you, then he will give the high velocity thrust, or you can say the body adjustments according to your problem. He can do the adjustment to the whole spine or whole body to overcome your any type of biomechanical fault.
In chiropractor manipulation, we have not only the spine manipulation, we have joint manipulations also. So we first assess the patient and decide what we are giving. We mobilize manipulate the spine also. We can manipulate the limbs also to increase the range of motion and blood flow.
Now you can say what are the indications. Indications means what conditions can we give the chiropractic. First of all, you can give it to the back pain. Back pain can be whether it is a upper back pain or a lower back pain. You can give, or if the patient has a disc prolapse, you can say even a disc bulge or sciatica. Those are the conditions where we can give chiropractic adjustment treatment.
Sometimes we have some sitting jobs and we have some uh, different mechanic of the back and neck. So we got pain in our neck and back. So in chiropractic treatment, we can reduce the stiffness and pain of your body.
We can give chiropractic adjustment to the nerve compressions also, or even you can say sciatica. Suppose sciatica means if you have a disc prolapse, your nerve is getting compressed, or a radiating pain. Pain means when your pain is traveled from your back, and it may be traveled to the leg or sometimes the toes. In those cases also, you can say these are the radiating pain. In those cases also, we can give chiropractic adjustments.
It is a myth that we every time we listen the sound after manipulation, sometime it will not come. It is not that the manipulation is not done. Manipulation is only for increasing your muscle mobility and joint mobility also.
We can give chiropractic adjustment to the cervicogenic headaches. That means headache because of your bad posture. Suppose you sit for long hours and your neck, your front muscle they get tight and your shoulder gets rounded and your neck it comes forward because of the bad posture. You have a pain and you have a misalignment. In those conditions, that is called you can say cervical pain or cervicogenic headaches. Also, those are the conditions where we can give chiropractic adjustment treatment.
We have muscle pain. In muscle pain, we have some trigger points. So we go through the chiropractic treatment and then release the muscle and increase the range of motion.
Yeah, we can give, as Dr. Rahul said, we can give the chiropractic treatment to the limited range of motion also. That means suppose this is my elbow, this is my normal range of motion, but I have a restricted range. Suppose it is supposed to go till here 140 degrees, but it is not going. It is just 90 degree. That means it is a limited range of motion. So what I can do is I can give the manipulation on those conditions. That is called the limited range of motion.
In our body, there is a thin layer between muscle and skin. It's called fascia. which are getting tight because of our posture and lack of activity. So we release the fascia also along with muscle. So the muscle is going to be good functioning.
Yeah, it is not when you go to the chiropractor, he will just adjust, he will do the adjustments. So that is not only the treatment. You should always remember chiropractic techniques works better when there is a combination of treatment after with the chiropractor. You should always go for other treatments like exercises or your manual therapist or your chiropractor. He will do the trigger point release. He will give the myofascial release, that is to release your soft tissue. He can tell you the exercises at home. So it is always advisable to do all after the chiropractic adjustment. You should always follow exercises at home.
Chiropractor treatment is not only for manipulation, it is not only manipulation. We uh, we are using myofascial release for muscle, and we are using some changes in exercise and sitting posture, lying posture, and some exercise to improve his posture in lying and sitting also.
So one more thing is there. Suppose you go to the chiropractor. Nowadays, people say that they are fascinated about cracking. So let me tell you, it is not only cracking. If you go to the chiropractor, you may listen that cracking or you can say popping sound. It may be present or it may not be present. If it is a present, it can be present only if your joints are very stiff. If your joints are very stiff, then only you can hear the cracking. If it is not there, if you don't have any articular stiffness, that means if there is no stiffness in your bones or there is no limited range, that means you don't have any stiffness, and it is not compulsory that you will always hear a cracking or popping sounds.
There are theory behind the cracking and everything. There is lots of joints in our body. So in joints there is a synovial fluid which are for lubricating the joint. So when we manipulate the lubrications has a lot of air bubbles. So when we manipulate, then the gases are coming out. So it pops like cracking.
Yeah, one more thing is that suppose there is a ligaments and tendons, those are called soft tissues in our body. So what we do when you manipulate or when we do the mobilization, those tendons and ligaments, they get displaced with our manipulation. Once they come to the origin position, you may see while those tendons and ligaments, they displace and they come back to the original position while manipulating. Because of that also you may hear the cracking or popping sounds.
It is not necessary every time that, as Dr. Sohail tell, cracking will be. If the cracking will not be, then it is not necessary that manipulation is not done. So don't go behind with the cracking. Go with manipulation only.
So see, I'll demonstrate you here. So what actually chiropractor, how it does, how it manipulate your spine. I'll give the example, one example. See, this is our hip bone, or you can say it is a pelvic girdle. So what it does usually, what happens if you have you can say suppose mechanical back pain. That means you have a pain because of bad posture. Because of bad posture, there are some certain muscles, they go for tightness. Suppose your front muscle, they go for tightness, and this hip, it will pull this your pelvic bone forward. So what it does in manipulation, chiropractic adjustment, suppose you have that this hip, it gets forward, that is called anterior pelvic tilt. This gets forward too much. Because of that, you have a mechanical pain, or you have a. So what chiropractor does, he will manipulate it. He will manipulate and he will manipulate here so that it comes back to this original position.
So here is a question: why adjustment sometimes makes a sound? So I told that adjustments are only to release the joints pressure. So adjustments make sound because of there is lot of pressure, air pressure inside the joints. That's why the adjustment makes sounds.
See, one more thing I will tell you, I have explained you that is the pelvic shifting. It is not only front shifting. It can sometimes it can be shifted to the back, it can be shifted to the right, or it can be shifted to the left. That is what chiropractor does. He will assess you properly, and suppose this is coming forward, so he will give you the glide, or you can say high velocity thrust from the front side, so that it comes back to the normal, and your biomechanics is maintained, so that you don't have a pain. One more thing is, one more question. Uh, so next is I will tell you about your those how the chiropractor, how he adjusts your spine or back bones. Suppose this is your spine, you have a vertebrae in between. What actually happens? This is your spine and this is your normal alignment. Sometimes what happens? It gets shifted or tilted either to the right or left, right or left. So what chiropractor does according to assessment, if it is shifted to the right or a left, he will give the glide. He will give the glide accordingly, so that it comes back to its normal position. And the same is with the neck. Uh, Same is with the neck. Suppose it gets shifted to the front or back, even at a sideways. Sometimes even you have your limited range of motion here on the vertebrae. So what does chiropractor does according to his assessment? He will give the glide accordingly, so that your neck comes back to its original or normal position.
We again say the adjustment is not only the manipulation of the joints. We have to release the muscles around the joints also. So we manipulate the segment and then release the around the muscle and soft tissue fascia over there. So we are demonstrating that.
Will show. Because can you show me the camera?
Yeah.
As I was showing you, see, suppose he has a pelvic tilt, it is getting shifted forward. So what I do is, it is getting shifted forward. I will give the glide, or your chiropractor, he will give the glide here, so that your back comes back to its normal position. Even the other cases, sometimes what happens, this gets forward and this side it gets backwards. So your chiropractor, what he does, he will give the glide, so that it comes back to its normal position, neutral. Yeah, one more thing is, in case of, can you show the neck? Even in the same is the case with the neck. Suppose you have, because of your bad posture, because of your misalignment, your neck will get shifted forward. So when you are you thrust accordingly, so that your neck comes back to normal position.
Lie down. Now we are showing in a patient.
Can you go down? Now Dr. Rahul will demonstrate one kind of chiropractic techniques for his neck and for his lower back.
Come, lie down. Yeah. So we are manipulating the cervical spine. Can you show here? Come. Yeah. Relax. Keep breathing. Relax your neck. Relax. Keep breathing. Relax your neck. Relax. Yes. Done. Now I'm showing for back issue. Lie down straight. Come down. Relax. Done. Sit down. Thank you.
So we'll have question answer round now. Question. I will stop for that. Can you pick it up?
Now,
How frequently should I get adjusted? Yes, initially your chiropractor, he may tell you to come first 2 or 3 days, he will may tell you to come continuously. After the adjustment, he may tell you initially you may have to come 3 or 2 times a week. After that, once or twice a week. So they will tell you the according to his assessment, according to the condition, whether it is chronic, acute or subacute. According to that, they will tell you whether you have to come frequent or how frequent you have to come.
my pectoral girdle is hurting. Why? Uh, First, we assess your muscles around the shoulder and girdle. Then we'll decide what treatment you should take. And if your girdle is hurting, then maybe your shoulder muscles and periscapular muscles are weak. So you should do exercises.
Yeah. Next is uh, will chiropractic treatment completely remove back pain? Can I see a chiro? I am pregnant. Will chiropractic treatment completely remove your back pain? Yes. What the chiropractic usually does, they will adjust your back initially for few sittings. After that, they can tell you to do the exercise at home. But we advise you if you have like last semester, we are advising you to focus more on exercises or soft tissue or other manual therapy techniques rather than going for chiropractor manipulations.
Does adjustment hurts? No, if it is done by a professional chiro then it doesn't hurt. Uh, I have chronic back pain for last 10 years. Can you help me? Okay, I can help you definitely. Your back pain, chronic back pain for last 10 years. So first we assess your back and then we'll tell you. I think if it is 10 years, then the other joints also be affected by your back pain.
My Rajan has asked a question. My joints of fingers are swollen. What will you suggest? Yes, Mr. Rajesh, what we do is like you have a swelling currently, you can, as of now, you can say that you can do ICG at home. Yeah, and we advise you to come here and we will assess you accordingly. We'll tell you the treatment plans. Thank you.
Is there any chance to dislocate the segment? Never, never. If you are going to treat with a good chiropractor, then never chances of dislocations. How often I have to see the chiropractor? Starting, you have to come thrice a week, and then you, according to your body response, we can come at twice or once a week for at least 6 weeks.
Next. Uh,
So, so in chiropractic adjustments, uh, don't be like it is hurting and everything. So it is a very safe technique if it is done by a qualified or certified chiropractor. It is very safe.
We have one more question. Ashish has asked, I'm suffering from muscle tightness and joint pain. Uh, uh, I'm suffering from muscle tightness and joint pain. What Cairo can do? Yes, they can. If you have a muscle pain or tightness, that means surely you may have the mechanical fault. That means you may have the postural issues also. You may have the altered biomechanics. Surely, chiropractor will help you. He will adjust your segments accordingly so that you get relief from your muscle pain, and even if you have a that is called less range of motion, they will give you the manipulation accordingly to relieve your pain.
Do you have branches in Navi Mumbai? No, sorry, we don't have branch. We have only one center in South Delhi, uh, in Hauj Khas. Is it helpful in
The
knee
knee
pain?
pain.
Yes, it is helpful in the knee
Definitely.
pain, definitely, because of your poor biomechanics and your poor uh, mechanics of the muscles. So if you correct the mechanics, then the knee pain will be gone.
Unju has asked question. I am suffering from the lower back pain from the past so many years. Will this help? Yeah, definitely. Chiropractic will help you. But as I said you before, it is not only chiropractor. They will assess you. We will assess you and will give the adjustment. After that, we'll tell you some exercises, or else we can do some soft tissue or other manual techniques. We will do that, and we may tell you some exercise to do at home. But definitely, chiropractor will help you.
My wife has a chronic neck pain since last 3 years. Doctor advised nerve block treatment. Can this technique can be avoid the nerve block? Yes, definitely. First we assess the patient and then we'll decide how his body is responding. We can't go straight as a nerve block. Uh, we can go first take a treatment and then we can.
One more question is there. Can you fix a frozen shoulder? Yes, absolutely yes. We can fix your frozen shoulder with the chiropractic techniques. One more question is that
I'm 78-year-old female suffering from osteoporosis. Can Chiro help me? I have back pain. Okay, we can help you. First, we check the range of motion of your back, and then we'll decide. We can't manipulate in osteoporosis, but we can give some myofascial release and exercise program for you.
I have a recurrent back pain. What can I do for permanent cure? Yes, definitely. If you have a recurrent back pain, that means there is a mechanical. It is usually because more of a mechanical back pain. So what we can do, we may initially adjust your back. After that, we will tell you to give some exercises or any other manual techniques which you may have to follow for some time. Definitely, you can get cured permanently.
Any center? No, we don't have center in Mumbai. We have only center in Delhi, South Delhi. I have shoulder pain. Do I need to visit any Cairo for that? Yes, definitely. You should go with Cairo. He will suggest you what is going in your shoulder. So you go with Cairo. You can show him.
Is there any chances to dislocate the segment? Not at all. Usually, remember, if it is a certified chiropractor, you don't have any chances to dislocate. So make sure that whenever you go for a chiropractic treatment, that make sure that that person is certified. If he is certified, then he will do the adjustment accordingly. So you may have a less chance to dislocate. Thank you.
Can acute lower back pain be treated with these technique? Definitely acute are going good results because it causes as early. First we assess you and then we'll decide the treatment plan for
Yes.
acute lower back pain.
Are you in India, sir? Yes, our center is in Delhi. that is South Delhi, Safdarjung Development Area, your address, we will surely give you the address. Thank you. I did not, I don't hear a sound. Does it mean adjustment did not happen?
Every time you don't hear sound because of if there is no tightness, no range of motion restriction, no pressure in the joint, so you don't listen any sound.
How long will it take to see the effect? Usually after the chiropractic treatment, you will see the good results even in 1 or 2 sittings. Even after one sitting only, you will start getting better.
So we are in Hoj Khas, New Delhi. We have only one center in Delhi. So after we finishing, we can give you link for our center. I have shoulder pain. Do I need to visit a chiro for permanent treatment? Yes, if you are in shoulder pain, then definitely you should go with chiro, because if your shoulder muscles are weak or shoulder biomechanics are not correct, so you have to go and shown to him.
Uh, can we have next? Talk about
If you have shoulder pain, then your shoulder is become, I think your shoulder is become rounded. So when you check your alignment of the body, then we mobilize the shoulder and put it as a back is neutral position. So we release this segment and then manipulate the shoulder. So your shoulder biomechanics is going to correct.
uh, usually I'll tell you the what is actually the difference between chiropractic adjustments and other manual therapy techniques. You just always remember the chiropractic techniques or chiropractor, they work on your bony stiffness. That means if your bony alignment is not perfect, they will try to correct that and remember that. And it is totally different from other manual techniques like trigger point release, soft tissue, dry needling, or other soft tissue releases that works on your muscular or a fascia. But chiropractor or chiropractic techniques, usually they work on bony stiffness, or you can say if you have a limited range, if you have a less range of motion of your joint or any part of the body, you have a less range of motion because of articular tightness, that means your bones are stiff. So chiropractic, those cases, chiropractic techniques, they usually work very well.
We are giving a manipulation and soft tissue release for nerve compression also. If you listen sometime, the pain is coming from your cervical and going till down till the hand, so the patient is very restless and uncomfortable. Sometime patient feel tingling, numbness, so we release the nerve pressure in different areas, so the pain will go away.
Yes, one more chiropractic adjustments. One more thing is that they are usually usually they come with a disc prolapse, acute, subacute, or chronic disc prolapse, or severe. They usually think that just a one adjustment is more than enough for them, or they just go to the chiropractor. That's all. But remember that it is not only chiropractor. So once you go to the chiropractor or a physiotherapist, he may adjust you in few sittings, first 2 or 3 sittings. Later on, they will work on your muscular part. They will try to release your muscles. They will work on your mechanics, and they will tell you the exercises. So remember, it is not only just your disc prolapse or stenosis that cannot be totally cured with the help of chiropractor. So you may have to do other manual therapy techniques, or you may have to doctor may advise you some exercises also, which you have to follow regularly.
My mother has osteoarthritis in knee. Can chiropractic help? Definitely, we help you, because in osteoarthritis the joints become degenerate. So we decrease the joint tension by releasing the muscle, and then little bit of manipulations of a knee, so that the joint tension become reduced, and the knee become knee movement become much easier and pain free.
So if
Then
you can ask any other questions if you have. I have a pain in the neck because of long sitting hours. Can you help? My shoulder become rounded, and can you help? Yeah, surely.
yeah, sure. You have sitting job, so your shoulder and your shoulder blade become rounded. So we need to readjust your position, and you need some little bit sitting posture correction, lifestyle modification also. So we first mobilize your back, neck, and shoulder. So release the muscles also along with, and then you have to follow the lifestyle changes protocol also. So if you follow these protocols, then you will be all right.
My brother has a stiffness in the morning. Can you help him too? Yes, definitely. Chiropractors can help him. It is not compulsory that he has to undergo chiropractic adjustments. If he has a early morning stiffness, there can be the many reasons. So once the assessment is done, so we can accordingly we can say accordingly if he needs chiropractic adjustment we can do. If he does not need, we can do other techniques. We have like glazes or dry needling. We can sometimes do cupping therapy for the patients. So chiropractors along with the other techniques can help better for him.
How long will it take to see the effects? Okay, so it will take 2-3 sessions minimum to feel anything better. But if you are taking, it depends upon your problem and your body response. If your body is responding well, then you can feel better in 10 sessions maybe. Next question, Dr. Soy.
We'll go to the next question. Can these techniques be performed on osteoporotic people?
In what type of condition chiropractor help? There is a lot of conditions we are discussing, as like a neck pain, back pain, sciatica, disc bulge, acute injuries, soft tissue injuries, frozen shoulder, any pathology related to bone. We are using post-operative stiffness also. Sometimes to achieving the range of motion of the joints, we are doing some chiropractic manipulations. I have pain in leg and tingling. Can chiropractor help me? definitely chiropractor help you. I think your nerve is being compressed in or either back or either hip area. So we release the muscle and assess the segment where it going to be compressed. So we will help you definitely.
Can these techniques be performed on osteoporotic people?
No, if manipulation is not applied in osteoporotic conditions, but we give some myofascial release exercises and uh, some lifestyle modification and some precautions also we can give definitely.
You can ask us any other questions if you have, so that we can answer you guys.
Best
We'll
ortho
see.
for now.
So we are closing our live session. Thank you for connecting with us. If you have any queries, you please contact us. Thank you.
Thank you.